This is the 7th video naming ionic and polyatomic compounds, and we're going to look at a couple examples. I'll go through the first one with you, and then I'll show you the second one, and what I want you to do is pause the video and give it a try before I actually show you how to go about doing it. So let's do this one first. These first two examples, before I give you this the process here, only requires us to do just one or two steps from the steps in your notes. Again, the steps here are you need to be able to rhyme, and so the first two that we're going to do here only requires you to really only do this here. So let's go ahead and do it. We've got SrF2, so let's find Sr. It's a metal, comes first. So there it is right there, strontium. So you write down the name strontium, and then you find the symbol F. Happens to be right here, so that's fluorine. Once you do that, you're supposed to check to see if the metal gets multiple charges. So let's find strontium on this periodic table, and we notice that strontium gets a charge of +2, so it only gets one charge, +2. So we're done. Strontium actually it should be fluoride. Strontium only gets one charge, so it's strontium fluoride. And again, I end the name in IDE, and if you recall, and I should have showed you this before just a moment ago, is that fluorine is actually fluoride. Remember, you got to end the name in IDE. So here's the second example, Ba bracket ClO3 bracket 2. What I want you to do is pause the video and try and do it. Okay, we're back, and we're going to go through the process of trying to figure this guy out. So again, write down the name of the metal first. So it's Ba, and when you check your pink periodic table, you notice that Ba is down here. It's kind of hard to see from the camera, but that's barium. So you write barium, and you look at ClO3. Well, you'll notice that ClO3 is not here. We got Cl and O in isolation, but not grouped together. So that should tell you that we're dealing with a polyatomic compound. And when you check the back of your periodic table for the polyatomic ions, and we look for ClO3, there it is right there, we notice that the name is chlorate. So we write down chlorate. And again, you're supposed to check to see if the metal can have multiple charges. And you go to this periodic table, find barium, and notice, oh, this charge is +2. There's no other charges listed here. Like, for example, manganese has multiple charges, +7, +6, +3, +2. It gets multiple charges, but barium doesn't. So we're done. We write barium chlorate, and that's it. And we don't have to worry about Roman numerals here because barium only gets one charge.